What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, you're watching Cam, aka Curls with Cam. Today's video, judging by the title and the thumbnail, you guys already know what I'm about to do, what I'm about to cook out. Today's products are going to be featuring shock coil. I do have a video with them already located on my Instagram page, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and head over to my Instagram page after viewing this video. All of my information is either in my banner, in my bio down below, in my description down below, or at the end of this video. So if you guys want to check that out, keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. Please remember to like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's go. Let's get into this hair, okay? All right, you guys, so I'm starting on a 2-day-old twist out. The first thing you're gonna want to do is section off the part of your hair that you want to be your swoop. So I just took a small tooth comb. I just used the tail of it to kind of section off my hair and kind of form my swoop to see how I wanted it to go, which side I wanted it to be on, and everything like that. So now that that section is sectioned off, I'm going to go in with my pick and go from the root up and pick my hair out. Don't try to, comb through your hair with the pick. Just kind of pick out the roots of your hair to make your hair bigger and fluffier, because you're going to start forming your puff. So next we're going to go in with a spray bottle, and I'm just going to wet the front of my hair and also the back, just because my hair is easier to smooth down when it's wet. So you're going to wet the front of your hair and then the back of your hair, and then after this I'm going to go in with the leave-in conditioner just to make sure that my hair doesn't get dry while in this style, and make sure that it still has some moisture in it. So I'm going to make sure to put that leave-in in the back as well as the front, the same spots that I am spraying the water bottle with. And then afterwards, we're going to go in with some gel just to make sure that everything is smoothed completely down. So now I'm just taking a headband that I actually cut at the part where they kind of glue it together. I cut it on that part, and then I'm going to take it, wrap it around my head. And you're going to tie it kind of similar to a shoelace, but not all the way. So first you're going to loop it like that, and then you're going to pull. I don't like my puffs to be small, so I don't pull it all the way to the point where it's tight. So I just kind of slide it up in the back a little bit, and then continue to pull it in the front until I get my puff to my liking. And I also make sure I don't have any stray hairs in my puff, because that tends to kind of hurt or give you a headache after a while when you have hair caught in your headband. So definitely be cautious of that. Now for your swoop, the first thing that you're going to start off with is actually going to be the coil hair pomade, and I apply that to my hair as well as some gel just to make sure that it stays down and as smooth as possible. And then also you guys are going to see me go in with some got to be glued spray. Once I kind of mold it into how I like it, I bobby pin it, go in with the got to be glued, and then you're also going to go in with a brush just to make sure that it's smoothed down to your liking. So you guys, you're not going to get the perfect swoop on the first try. As you guys can see, I have to continually swoop it and kind of mold it into the frame of how I want it to look. So don't get frustrated if it doesn't become the perfect swoop just the first time that you do it. You're going to have to keep going over it over and over until the got to be glue kind of dries a little bit and your hair starts to mold into place. But you'll know once that's taking place. If you need to add more gel, that's perfectly fine. Do whatever it takes to make your hair slick down. These are just the steps that I take to make sure that my hair stays down. So, you know, everyone's hair is different, so don't get frustrated if it's not perfect the first time. So this is what it looks like once you have perfected your swoop and laid your edges. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please leave any questions, comments, or concerns you have down below. Also, please remember to like this video if it was helpful and you enjoyed it. Follow me and stalk me on all my social medias that will be located down below in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video.